Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you here the SoundPEATS wireless earbuds Mini Pro HS. Wow, Mini Pro was really good devices on the market, and now SoundPEATS come with the Mini Pro HS. High resolution audio and LDAC technology. These are wireless earbuds Mini Pro HS. It's hybrid active noise cancelling with Bluetooth 5.2 earphones, 6 microphones and ENC 4 clear calls. 28 hours of playtime is possible. The high resolution audio certification is proved. High quality audio standards defined by the Japan Audio Society with a wide frequency response from 20 Hz up to 40 kHz. Usually 20 Hz to 20 kHz for others. The high resolution audio transmitter up to 6.5 times more data than compact discs. It restores the sound detailed accurately and naturally with the 10mm driver built in to create concert-like experience. And LDAC Audio Codec. The leading audio codec technology, LDAC, ensures a maximum transfer rate of 990 kilobit per second and achieves sound quality transmission up to 24-bit and 96 kHz. Compared with SBC, the LDAC can transfer information content up to 3 times. It reaches the sound and will not let us miss any nuance of vocal, harmony, and musical instruments. 40 decibel hybrid active noise cancelling. Contained 2 noise cancelling microphones, a feed forward and a feed backward to seek out ambient noise and then cancel them out. The Mini Pro HS ANC earbuds can efficiently suppress unwanted noise up to 40 decibel, depth, and 1.5 kHz wide. It creates a private space to let us enjoy the high-fidelity sound quietly. And we have 6 microphones and ENC technology. The built-in 3 microphones in each earbud with 2 noise-canceling mics and an extra mic for phone calls, working together with the wind noise-resistant design and environment noise-canceling technology. The Mini Pro HS earbuds makes us communicate as smooth as face-to-face chat. And we open the charging case lid and take out both earbuds. Then we remove the insulating film and put them back. The earbuds automatically pair to each other after being taken out from the charging case. Light emitted diodes indicator on the main earbud flash in red and white. The second earbud stays in white. Activate our Bluetooth on the device, on the smartphone, and choose SoundPEATS Mini Pro HS on Bluetooth list to pair it easily. Then we have paired them. Of course, if we get them back into the power station and let them out, it will pair automatically again. To the ANC mode, we press and hold the left MFB for 1.5 seconds. We switch from normal mode to ANC on and pass-through mode. This is really awesome because it makes your feels only in the music, or you feels like you does not wear on sound level any earbuds. To reset that devices, we clear the pairing record from our device. We place back both earbuds into the charging case and make sure they are in charging status. We press and hold both buttons for 10 seconds until both LEDs flash in red and white twice. Reset completed. And then, on the left side, we push 2 times to end the calls. We push 1.5 seconds, 2 seconds, we can make a phone call. 1.5 seconds, we make Siri or Google Assistant, for example, and deny calls. 3 times, on the left side, we can go to game mode. 2 times, we hang up, go on the phone call, or play and pause. 1 time, volume down. On the right earbud, we can push 1 time, volume up. 2 times, same. That means play and pause and answer a phone call. 3 times, audio. 1.5 seconds, hold it still, go to the next track, or go out of the call. And 2 seconds for call. That's really easy, and you can handle this by using only one hand. And because of the touchpad, it's really good working. The power on means automatic mode. We open up the case lid and take the earbuds out of it. Manually, we press and hold the MFB for 1.5 seconds. Power off automatically place back the earbuds and manually press and hold the MFB for 10 seconds. We play and pause, double tap the MFB, volume minus, single tap the left MFB, volume up, single tap the right MFB, next trap, press and hold right MFB for 1.5 seconds, answer, hang up the phone call, double tap on the MFB, reject the phone call, press and hold the MFB for 1.5 seconds. We switch between 2 calls, press and hold the MFB for 2 seconds. We manually enter pairing mode, press and hold the MFB for 6 seconds. Activate the voice assistant, triple tap the right MFB. Enter exit game mode, triple tap the MFB, the left one. And normal mode, ANC mode, and transparency mode, press and hold the left MFB for 1.5 seconds. You can see it's really easy to navigate between the options. We use the Type-C adapter to charge the case, okay? We please charge the earbuds and the case at least once per 3 months when not in use for a long time. And the earbuds can connect easily to each other and can connect to you. And of course, pairing is so easy. You go to the Bluetooth setup, go to the earbuds, Mini Pro HS, and job's done. After this, it's up to you to hear the best sound on your ears with that earbud system here. These are the SoundPEATS Mini Pro HS wireless earbuds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.